AARD stock has maintained the gains of yesterday, the 28th of April 2025, up as you can see now in this pre-market session of today, the 29th, 8.79%. This is its 45-minute chart that hasn't been trading for a very long time. As we can see here, the extrapolation is that the volatility expansion that, if you like, began all the way back in on Friday the 25th. It might begin to get contracted up till tomorrow's trading session. What we can see here, this all of these are extrapolations. There's no guarantee that they will pan out like this. Things can totally change, but based on what is available, based on the data that is available, and the fact that whenever there's an expansion, usually there will be a contraction, amongst other things. So it's going to be the 10 period moving average will be serving as a primary supply line, meaning that each time it comes close, it will decline further. You can see that this is what's been extrapolated, and that will help achieve the contraction that is being extrapolated. It's going to serve as a supply line for at various points during this contraction. And also the 10-40 period moving average will equally serve as a supply line. So the 20 and the 40 will ensure we'll keep it in within a tight range until it breaks out, and begins to maybe expand again. There's no guarantee that any of this will pan out, but what is uh, what is in play here, is what usually happens, which is or what is being extrapolated here is what usually happens, a contraction, and the two moving averages that will ensure that this may happen are the 20 and the 41 period moving averages on this 45-minute chart. So this is the best we can use for any longish time extrapolations or simulations, because it hasn't been trading for a long time. It hasn't been trading for a long time. But at the same time as well, we also seen this double bottom. This double bottom here printed on the same day. This may have necessitated this expansion that occurred, because it could, to some extent, the algos may read this as a bottom, printed two double bottoms, and then it has just they've gone to print higher highs. The broader markets, the bots and the human traders may have also seen this, and also we can equally see here as well what looks like even triple bottom. So this all of these may have contributed to the expansion we are looking at right now, but naturally you should expect a contraction to occur. So this is the 45-minute chart. Let's see now whether we can have a look and see what the trading range is. This is a very brief. This is a 45-minute chart. It's not really going to be of so much use as such, because it's too brief. It doesn't go that far off either. Just projects what's going to happen up till tomorrow, the 30th. So let's have a look at the market grid to see if there's anything there. Okay, we have a range on this 4 hour chart of between the inner range of between 11.17 and 11.25. What we have 11.01. So where is it trading? Yeah, it's okay. It's trading. Yeah, okay. Very. As a matter of fact, what it is indicating here is that you should buy, but don't fall for that. Don't. I'm not advising that you do so. This low figure here, this this external figure here at SXT, it's just tells you that maybe there's a buying opportunity here, but at the same time, it doesn't mean that you should. It's still holding much of the gains it ran up. So just be careful. Just be careful. Okay, even though we have an indication here that a buying opportunity has opened up, but the range is a very tiny one between of the overall range is between 11.16 and 11.26, so it's really tiny. So I think I'll stick with a contraction of this expansion until something else changes, maybe tomorrow the 30th. So just be careful out there, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.